First and foremost, we always want to know what were your original issues. She told us she had no crank, no start. She said that was sudden. She said to the first TIPM we sent her, I don't even think it started. The second TIPM, which is the ones that she has right now, the vehicle starts up, but she's still having a misfire code. Seems like she's having misfire. Sometimes it won't start, but the point is she's still having some issues. And the question is, at this point, she says it feels like it's getting start for fuel. So it seems like it could possibly be coming from the PCM. What we need to remember is that the PCM controls the engine, fuel injection, ignition timing, diagnostics. She did mention that it seems like she's getting the battery light. So that makes me think that it might also be, or it might be the PCM, not the TIPM. She did a soft reset, which she did right. She said she realized after the soft reset it started, but she had a turn signal issue. And she said a remote start wasn't working. Now, mind you, that's crucial to remember. Remote start will never work after an installation unless they disconnected the battery for a fraction of a second or a very, very short time. The battery's disconnected for any amount of time, the remote start will not work. It's a safety feature. It takes 100 to 200 miles of driving to get that working. She did her soft reset again, and then she said that it wouldn't start. She waited a little bit, and then it started up. That was a hint to me. When they wait a little bit and then it starts, it seems like it could be something in the PCM that's not functioning properly. She did mention other funky things with the wipers just suddenly going. The horn, she said, suddenly going off on its own. That's usually a short, and that's definitely not the TIPM.